Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable advanced browser integration in Internet Download Manager. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to go into our search bar and then search for Internet Download Manager. After that, just open it as administrator, so click on that. Now, if you don't see the Internet Download Manager on your PC or laptop, that's because you need to download it. So all you have to do is to go into our browser and then type Internet Download Manager. And then after that, I just click this download button right here. After that, I just click download Internet Download Manager and then just look for the file which is right here and then just click open file. Now, after installing, this is what it should look like. Once you're here, just click on options. And now in this part on the general, make sure that the advanced browser integration is enabled. However, if it is not enabled, you should be able to see it in this part. So all you have to do is to enable that. And then after that, all you have to do is to wait for it to be integrated. And then once it is done, this is what it's going to look like. What we're going to do next is to just enable the browser that we are currently using. So in this case, it is Microsoft Edge. So make sure that you enable Microsoft Edge right here. Now, if you are using a different browser and you don't see it right here, all you have to do is to click on Add Browser right there, and then click on OK, and then look for the app right here. After that, once you're now done with this, just click on OK, and then restart your PC. After restarting your PC, that should fix your problem.